Okay, so we are making this video today because today's idea of what women fitness is wrong. It is completely wrong. Most girls think they should do loads and loads of cardio, they shouldn't eat carbs, and that's how you get a fit, good-looking body. And I personally think that is entirely false. And we have proof through my wife. When I met her, she was the chubbiest she's ever been. I still thought she was beautiful and I loved her a lot. But she was the chubbiest she has ever been in her entire life. She weighed 140 pounds. I tried for days and days and weeks to convince her, like, hey, come to the gym with me. I promise it's not what you're expecting.
Okay,
like,
wait. Pause there for a second, because you're making it sound like you were like pressuring me to go to the gym, and that's just so not true. But as I fell in love with him, I just started to ask more questions about it. And that's when he started to be like, no, like, come with me. Like, let me show you. It's not what you think it is, and it can actually be really fun and enjoyable and easy.
She was a dancer, and in her mind, working out was doing sprints and like a million leg lifts and like all these really terrible workouts that suck. My idea of fitness is the opposite side of things. I am somewhat of a bodybuilder, kind of. I've done 2 shows, so I'm a firm believer in lifting weights, and that was what I told her, and that was the path that she took.
Obviously, there's benefits to cardio if you want a healthier heart, and that's about it. That's about all the benefits to cardio. Just kidding. I know there's more, but like,
simply lift weights 10 to 30 times and however many sets that you can until failure.
We totally wing it.
I have ADHD. I am not a set schedule kind of guy. Like, that is not my style. I hate set schedule. The whole point of working out is pushing yourself until failure. So you're not done until it hurts. But the pain that you feel at the gym isn't like obnoxious cardio pain. It's like this enjoyable pump. Like, once you reach failure, then it's like, oh, there you go. Like, that's the pump I was looking for. That's the failure I was looking for. Hurts a little bit for 10 to 30 seconds, and then it's gone. So it's not this.
There was a Corvette, you missed
horrible. Oh yeah, a little white one. That's cool. Truly, that is the key: is to fall in love with the gym. Make it a lifestyle and just never quit. And if you just really enjoy what you're doing, then it becomes so much easier to do it. And so that was what I showed her.
Okay, but let's be honest, how many times have I actually gone till failure? And how often do I just stand there and talk to you? Like,
that is true. It is very much, and the gym is such a social place too. And so it's not like you're like 100% like, oh, I'm going to be so focused on this workout. It's just kind of like, yeah, we're here. Let's work out.
Yeah, it's like you get like some good sets in, and then you just like talk to your buddies and hang out, and yeah. And it's like, I used to have this like unrealistic idea and pressure. I'm sorry I say like so much. I need to stop. I'm going to try and not say that so much. But yeah, I had this unrealistic idea that, first of all, if I like stopped, I looked bad. Like, if I was ever sitting around. The other thing was low weight. I just felt so weak. Like I looked bad, like people were judging me for
only lifting 5 pounds to warm up the shoulders.
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I know, but even now that I'm in a better place physically, I still use 5-pounders to warm up.
That is another thing too. Ego lifting will kill your results because doing overextending what you think you can do, like, you have to find that sweet spot of 10 to 15 reps of that's when you fail.
When do you guys ever actually look to check how much is she lifting? Oh, that's only 5 pounds. Like, that's...
If a girl's at the gym, no, never, never. Like if she does, like, most of the time, if she is lifting heavy weight, then they'll be intimidated because most of the guys at the gym aren't crazy giant.
Yeah. Well, I just don't pay attention to what weight people are using ever in general. I don't pay attention. Sorry, babe. I don't pay attention to how much weight you're lifting. And you don't look dumb, like sitting around and checking out the machines, and like you don't look stupid.
No.
You just don't, like, so
Everybody, like,
and if anyone
everybody
thinks
starts
that,
it. Anybody who's got like self-conscious, like feeling like they can go to the gym and everybody's judging them, like, everybody understands that, like, everybody starts somewhere. Like, when I started, I was that guy that was like, oh, I don't know what I'm doing, like, and it's just a matter of not quitting, because nobody's gonna condemn you for trying something new and figuring something out. So the whole point of this story is to showcase what Clara did. So just tell them everything that you did.
Okay, I want to say, first of all, that it started with like a change in my mindset. I remember before I started working out with Hayden, I asked my mom this question, which is so stupid. And I knew it was stupid, but just getting it out in the open helped me to like work through it. But I just said, like, Mom, like, is it better to get your dream body and then lose it, or to just like stay so but then never lose it? Because it's like, I feel like I felt like if I were to achieve this dream body that I always wanted and then lose it, then it would seem like I was like so much like fatter and uglier or whatever than I was if I had just stayed the same. So I was afraid of failure, so I kept myself from succeeding, because I didn't want to like find something and love it and then lose it. I mean, your mind has so much power. Just like letting go of that, like, allowed my body to like let go of the fat.
So you did that, changed your mindset, came to the gym, and you only came to the gym like 3, maybe 4 times a week too. It wasn't like this like heavy day. All right, here we go. We're gonna lose this fat, and you didn't even like set out either to like lose tons and tons of pounds.
Yeah. So to kickstart my journey, I did do a week. Was it a week? A week of ketosis, but like really strict ketosis, like zero carbs, just lots of protein, just meats.
Yeah, crazy.
What's going on back there, dude? What's going on? He's done, Dad. Let's go to the gym. Yeah, just really strict, no carbs, all meat. Like, if I couldn't eat a bell pepper because it had carbs in it. Okay, so that week of ketosis, I lost 7 pounds. And then as soon as I hopped off of it, I think I gained back like 3 or 4. So I kept half of it off, which, like, it just helped me, like, kickstart. It just helped me, like, see results and feel good about it. But then after that, I just ate less calories. I mean, we would eat ice cream all the time. We ate a lot of Costa Vida.
And Wendy's.
So it was like we tried to stay with like whole foods that like felt good.
But we weren't
not ice
strict.
cream, but Costa Vida.
But we weren't strict. We were not strict.
No, I wasn't strict. We weren't strict at all.
No.
I ate a lot of quesadillas. Just whatever I wanted, honestly. I just like, hi honey, you're so cute looking at me. I did a body scan, which helped me because it told me that I only needed like 1,200 calories a day just to like sustain. You just hear 2,000 calories, but then I like took it down to 1,000, so I was eating like 200 less than the body scan said I needed, and I just like very steadily started losing weight after that. You're so handsome. I love you. Yeah, I just very steadily started losing weight, and like it helps. It really does help that he makes me so happy. That helped a lot. I've never been good at drinking water, but I think that would help a lot more too. I tried to be
She
good at
sucks.
that at times.
She is terrible
I
at
tried.
drinking. Like, she like never drinks water.
I know, I'll have like a glass a day and like, but that's
If
really
that,
bad. That's
lucky.
a really bad
like
habit.
a glass a day is lucky. Yeah, it's like, wow, babe, good job.
Thank you. Shut up. It's not that bad.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, de-stressing like does a lot for you, and just like stop beating yourself up. Like, eat the cookie. You know what I mean? It's like, eat the cookie. Like, don't think too much about it. Like, once you get rid of this, like, you know, thought process, whatever. But like I said, it helped me to do a week of ketosis to like start to see results, to like know that I could do it that way if I had to. Just to kind of like chill out a little bit on being so hard on myself. And oh, I did intermittent fasting too.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So that helped. I wouldn't eat until like 1 or 2.
Basically
In the
every
afternoon.
single diet that works just in some way, shape, or form tricks you into eating less calories. So intermittent fasting works because it's harder to eat 2,000 calories in one meal at the end of the day than it is if you're eating like throughout the whole day.
Yeah. I feel like another reason why ketosis helped is it like shrunk my stomach. So it's like I felt fuller quicker.
Yeah.
If not, like, seriously, just feel, oh yeah, I totally do.
You need to slam this.
I know, yeah. Just feel like we've tried to force ourselves on Wednesdays to do something different than the
And it's
gym
hard.
at his lunchtime.
Like,
And it's like you miss it, like you want to go. And I never thought I would be one of those people. Bye.
Goodbye. See you later.